Did you know that the tea plant, Camellia sinensis, from which most varieties of tea are produced, can grow up to a height of over 30 meters? But for convenience in harvesting the leaves, the bushes are pruned to a height of about 1 meter. Hello, Mrs. Proxima, and today we will explore how tea is produced. Get ready, we're starting. Tea production begins with the harvesting of tea leaves from the tea plant. Tea bushes grow in tropical and subtropical regions around the world, but particularly popular countries include China, India, Sri Lanka, Japan, Kenya, and others. Young shoot leaves are harvested by hand or with special machinery several times a year, depending on the season and type of tea. Immediately after harvesting, the tea leaves undergo processing, which includes drying, rolling, and oxidation. These stages may vary depending on the type of tea. Drying is the first stage of processing. The tea leaves are spread out in a thin layer on large surfaces, where they are dry using hot air or sunlight. This process allows water particles to be removed from the leaves and stops the fermentation process. Next comes the rolling stage, which can also be called rolling. The tea leaves are placed in special machines that roll them into various shapes, such as balls, spirals, ropes, and so on. This is an important stage that affects the taste, aroma, and color of the tea. The final stage, oxidation, occurs depending on the type of tea. Oxidation occurs when tea leaves interact with oxygen in the air. This is a process that can last from a few hours to several days. Oxidation has a significant impact on the taste and aroma of tea. For example, green tea is processed with minimal oxidation, while black tea undergoes full oxidation. After processing, the tea leaves are packaged and shipped to warehouses, from where they are distributed around the world. During the packing stage, flavoring ingredients such as fruits, flowers, or spices may be added to give the tea additional flavor and aroma. When tea leaves reach the end consumer, they can be used to make various beverages, including tea and other tea-based drinks, such as milk tea, iced tea, bubble tea, and more. Depending on the consumer's preferences, tea can be brewed in a mug or teapot, as well as prepared in special tea machines. It is important to note that tea production is a rather labor-intensive process that requires specific knowledge and skills to obtain a high-quality product. Tea is produced not only by large companies, but also by small family farms, where the collection and processing of leaves are done manually, preserving the traditions and uniqueness of each tea variety. What is your favorite type of tea? Write it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to not miss new informative videos. Thank you for watching. See you soon!